Hello together! Isn't it annoying? Some people call you on your Xiaomi 12 Pro and they have blocked their own number, so you can only see unknown number, and I just want to block those people. I just don't want to talk with these people. And it's great that on the Xiaomi 12 Pro you can block people who are using an unknown number. So how do you do it? Well, it's pretty easy. You just click here on the phone app, and then on the top right here on the three dots. And when I click on it, here you can see the settings. I click on the settings, and here you have the menu blocked numbers. So here you have two different possibilities. The first one is the case why we are making this video. It's unknown. Block calls from unidentified callers. So if I just activate it, then everybody who hide their own number won't reach to me. So when they call me, they will be blocked. There will be a special sign for them. Okay, they cannot reach me, and that's fine for me. So that's really great. But you can also block numbers that you know. So you can add a number here, block calls and texts from, and you just type in your number from your ex-girlfriend or ex-boyfriend or marketing companies or other people, and then these will also be blocked. So I would keep this option here activated if I was you, and I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.